Okay, this is our first 4x4 route. I think our van wouldn't get here because there was this really steep part of this road where we would bottom up even with the lift kit with our van. Now the axle length is so much smaller, so this truck goes there smoothly. And also we have the air suspension, so we can lift the bottom of the truck like I think 7 centimeters if we want to.
We are Sarah and Joni, and together we live in that pickup camper truck.
At the moment we are in Spain and spending night here on the old quarry or mine.
Yeah.
There hasn't been any active mining for decades, and here comes just some 4x4 route up here on the mountain.
Yeah, and today is an adventure day. We are going down. This black stuff on the ground is awful. I have never seen such awful sand. It's like a salt and it stains everything inside of a camper and it does not go away. Our brush is totally black now. I hate this place. Let's go. Things I have to do with this vehicle. Oh my god. I know GoPro is so wide. It makes everything look super flat. But road is super washed away. And there's huge ruts. The biggest problem is usually the height. And also sometimes the width of the vehicle is a problem. So smaller vans are capable to going in the places. Not those expedition vehicles. They just look badass.
Okay, this is our first 4x4 route. I think our van wouldn't get here because there was this really steep part of this road where we would bottom up even with the lift kit with our van. Now the axle length is so much smaller, so this truck goes there smoothly. And also we have the air suspension, so we can lift the bottom of the truck like I think 7 centimeters if we want to.
Yes, out of that scary part and only minor damage on our paint. So brushes and branches, they don't scare us. This is totally okay.
We are always saying that we don't have the fear of missing out, that it's already gone from us, but that's not true. The weather is so nice and the Cantabria mountain range is so beautiful, so we want to see a lot of this mountain range. But I think the main reason why we are leaving this place, we have a neighbor. So we can be again alone in the mountains. Weather is still great in this area. It will be great for I think 1 week at least. So we don't have to escape this area. But changing sun spot, maybe trying to find water because we are almost run out of water. And yeah, just enjoy.
Yes.
Yes.
Sä oot karkaat sen.
and can do see. Just a short stay here on a small town here in a mountain area, taking some water and then continue our route to the uphill.
Break from driving in a breathtaking scenery. We stop here to take a look at these wild horses that can free roam here in the plains. This could work also as an overnighting spot, but the road is so close. We do not prefer these kind of places. Nobody really drives this road, so in that sense this could work wonders. I think we will go down after we have sipped our coffees. Today again has been a driving day, so it's nice to take some pauses from driving. We rarely do that anymore because we don't have those doggies that need to take the pee break, so it's something we have to keep in mind as humans need pauses too.
Yes, again we scored really beautiful spot. You can find area recreativas everywhere in Spain, so they are basically a place where people come to barbecue or make food or just spend time. Yeah, beautiful place, but we are up on the mountains. It's quite nippy. I think last night was -2, but when the sun goes out it's a t-shirt weather. Okay, not t-shirt weather for everyone. T-shirt weather for us Finns, because +20-ish is already a hot day for us. Yeah, beautiful valley that we found. We actually came from there. There's a tunnel in the end of that valley over there that comes here, this cauldron, and we just followed the small road that came here. There's lots of cattle on this valley and small town. You can barely see it there, but otherwise you can be here just all alone, especially during the winter months. There ain't really anyone driving or bicycling or anything here, so you can be just all alone here. It's a good feeling that we can be here like self-sufficient with our camper. We have everything that we need. We have warmth, we have safety, and we have bed to sleep. So we can fulfill all the basic needs of the human in that small cubicle, which is a really good feeling. We decided that we're gonna go more north from here. So Leon, the city is over there, and there's like plains and like a desert-like feeling. And over here, behind those mountains, is... Mikä se on se alue tuossa pohjoisessa? Behind those mountains is Asturias, and this place feels like Norway, because Norway it always rains, and behind Norway, for example in Sweden, it doesn't rain that much. It's the same feeling in here. Behind those mountains there has been always clouds every day and it has been rainy, but here on this side it doesn't rain at all. So it's totally different looking compared to these dry plains. But we're gonna hop onto the car and head to the Asturias. Bye bye, beautiful spot.
Look at the pristine spot we did scored here in the Asturias mountains. Leon is a bit rough around the edges, a non-touristy place, and we like the isolation of that area. You can be totally alone. But when you come to the Asturias mountains, it's so lush and green here. Truly beautiful spot. Like 360 views, mountains and alpine valleys, and my face, of course, because we like to film our faces a lot. Yeah, beautiful spot, a bit nippy because we are so high in the elevation, but we do have a heater and now it's sunny, so it does not matter. So excited to be here.
Yeah, first time in Asturias, never. We knew that this is green, but we didn't knew that this is this green.
I think Jenny has a dementia. We have been in Asturias before.
Where? But we were in... no. Ah, yeah, we...
Those statues. The statue park.
Ah, was it in Asturias?
Yeah.
But it's only in Picotia Europa.
Yeah, but
Is it
after
us?
that...
Okay, we have been in Asturias before. But still I'm surprised.
Yeah.
It's good to have a dementia because everything is new and exciting.
Yeah.
So our lives are much better when we get older.
That's true.
So don't be afraid that you get older. Be appreciated that you are getting older.
Yeah.
Most important reasons why we live this lifestyle to be in beautiful spots in isolation.
Yeah.
And we scored like a jackpot with this.
So we are going to settle and enjoy our time here. Thanks for traveling with us.
Yeah, thanks for traveling with us.